Hi, my name is Trey Monahan. This is Molly's at the Market. We are ready to wage war for the coast.
Bar Wars is a friendly glass recycling competition amongst local New Orleans bars. During this time where we're drinking the most we ever do throughout the entire year, we can actually all be part of collective action to restore our coast and to keep glass out of landfills.
Hey, I'm Jacob. Welcome to Anna's. We go through a lot of glass, and it makes me feel a lot better to have it going somewhere that's going to be useful instead of just a landfill.
Recycle That is all about parade sustainability, reducing all of that waste that's out there in the streets, getting into the storm drains. Bar Wars is one of our new components of Recycle That this year.
I'm Ryan Scully, proprietor of BJ's Lounge. Happy Mardi Gras, everybody. Oh, yeah. And recycle your glass.
I hope to see you over the Mardi Gras season. You better get your glass in this bin.